How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days. Hello guys, so first thing, open your Instagram and then go to your profile, go to the top here and click on those three lines as you can see, and then you have to click on the settings. Now you need to click on this help option as you can see. Now click on report a problem. Click on report a problem without shaking. Now on this page, all what you want to do here is you need to write the problem that you have right here, and then click on gallery. If you have a screenshot of the problem, you have to send it, and after that click on next and then wait a few seconds and they will send you an email if the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.